In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate follow-ups with Apollo.io sequences. This is a fantastic way to streamline your outreach process and ensure that your communications with prospects are timely and efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Apollo.io dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sequences tab. This is where all your outreach sequences are managed and where you can set up automation for follow-ups. Simply click on Sequences to get into the next step of automating your follow-up emails. Now, find the specific sequence that you want to automate. You'll see a list of your sequences, and next to each one, there are three small dots. This is your menu for further options. Click on these three dots for the sequence you're looking to automate a follow-up with. Once you've done that, you'll want to select Edit from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly into the sequence editor, where you'll have the ability to tweak the sequence to fit your specific needs. Inside the editor, there's a section labeled Editor in the Sequences options. Navigate to this section to start working on the follow-up emails. At the bottom of the first email in the sequence, you'll see an option labeled Send Email. Click on this to set up your follow-up. It's here that you can specify the interval between the initial email and the follow-up. You can choose scheduling options like minutes, hours, or days, depending on how often you wish to follow up after the initial contact. After adjusting the timing for your follow-up, always remember to click on Save. This ensures your settings are stored and that your follow-up will be sent out as scheduled. Once you've set up the follow-up for the first email, you'll want to repeat the same process for the second and third emails of your sequence. At the bottom of each email, click on Send Email, set your desired interval, and save your changes. Remember, the precise timing can depend on your particular strategy and how you'd like your communication to flow with your prospects. As you go through this process, keep checking your settings to ensure everything is aligned with your objectives. This iterative process helps to ensure that nothing is missed and your audience receives the information when they're most receptive to it. After you've completed this setup for all your emails in the sequence, one last step is crucial. Click on Save Changes once you're satisfied with all your edits. This will lock in all your work, ensuring your follow-up automation is ready to go. By following these steps, you're now set up to engage effectively with your audience using Apollo.io's powerful sequence automation. Happy emailing!